What is it all about, and what is the conclusion?
Yeah, the meeting was organized by the National Working Committee with party stakeholders in Kogi State. Very fruitful meeting, robust debate, and it was also a meeting of strategy on how to completely send APC packing in Kogi State. And I can say with full confidence that the PDP will have the day, November 11th, by the grace of God. The PDP is going to win that election because we've never had it so bad in the history of our state. People are impoverished, salaries are not being paid, pensions are not being paid, gratuity not being paid. The health sector is completely, in fact, all the general hospitals and specialist hospitals in the states are mere consulting clinics. Education has gone moribund, and this is what the PDP is coming to ameliorate and palliate. And I want to assure you, by the grace of God, with the resolutions of this meeting, with the strategy adopted in this meeting, PDP is good to go in Kogi State.
What will be your charge to the people of Kogi State?
My charge to the people of Kogi State is that they should not be intimidated by the APC. That the threat, the violence, the humiliation by the APC should not deter them from exercising their democratic rights. And I want to assure you that we will protect our people.